Big breath. Good morning, world. Coffee. God, that's needed. Let those little caffeine molecules work my way around my brain. Woo! Okay. Time to go for a little bit of blusher. The thing is, I don't do makeup half measures. It's either full glam or I'm out in a pair of joggers for a run looking a mess, one of the two. So a little bit of a light brown going down over the already contoured cheekbone area. See that? There we go. And a brick red blusher to go over the top. Not Kryolan this time, just something local. Does the job perfectly. Blending brush. And get in it, sweep it in. As you can see, I'm contouring the side of the nose. I'm enhancing all the areas that are contoured with the foundation. Again, side of the nose, tip of the nose, not the bridge of the nose. Obviously you want that nice and light to carry that effect. There we go. Brow, temple. Just build it up. Don't go in there full gung-ho. You can always add to it. Very difficult to remove if you've overcooked it. Blend right into the neck, so you can't see the joins where your hair goes down. Jawline, chin, just under the chin, just over the tip of the chin. So now you've used two colours, and now a third colour, a really light one, just to blend the top in. Just so it doesn't look too harsh. There we go. I'm happy with that.